Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with RK. Today in this video, we will discuss about most important question of unit number 2, food microbiology. 1 marks question. Which are microbial flora of fresh food? Like Pseudomonas, Enterococci, Staphylococci, coliforms, micrococci, psychrophiles, etc. What is pasteurization? Pasteurization is the process of heating every particles of milk and milk product to at least 145 degree Fahrenheit like 62.77 degrees Celsius and hold it continuously at or above this temperature for at least 30 minutes. What are fresh foods? Fresh foods have great flavor and taste because they keep all their natural conditions. What are canned food? Canned foods lack a lot of its flavor characteristics because there are some other chemical products added to the natural foods. Define putrefaction. Putrefaction is the anaerobic decomposition of protein with the production of foul-smelling compounds like amine, ammonia and H2S. Define rancidity. Rancidity is the complete or incomplete oxidation or hydrolysis of fats and oils and resulting in undesirable odor and flavors in food. Differentiate infection and intoxication. Infection caused by entrance of bacteria into the body through the ingestion of contaminated foods, and intoxications occur from eating a food that contains a toxin produced by bacteria. What is the role of Clostridium botulism in food poisoning? Botulism is a disease caused by ingestion of food containing the neurotoxin produced by Clostridium botulism. What changes Salmonella cause in food? Salmonella may be caused by uncooked meat and seafood and changes in processing, packaging of foods. What is the role of Staphylococcus aureus in food poisoning? Staphylococcus aureus has high salt tolerance and can grow in meat, meat products, egg, fish, poultry, etc. And the toxins that the bacteria produce are also heat resistant and cannot be destroyed through cooking. Which are the fermented foods? Pickles, sauerkraut, silage, sausages and breads are fermented foods. What is sauerkraut? Sauerkraut is a result from a fermentation of cabbage by bacteria which are normally present on cabbage. What are pickles? Pickles are the result of the lactic acid fermentation of the number of vegetables and fruits. What are sausages? Sausages are the meat product usually made from ground meat like chopped, fresh or frozen beef, often pork, beef or poultry, along with salt, spices and other flavorings. Write a note on bread. Bread is one of the most ancient of human food and is produced with the help of microorganisms like yeast. What is egg mark? Egg mark is a certification mark employed on agricultural products in India, assuring that they conform to a set of standards approved by the Directorate of Marketing, Inspection and Agency of the Government of the India. How preservation of food is carried out? Food preservation, any of a number of methods by which food is kept from spoilage after harvest. Among the oldest method of preservations are drying, refrigeration and fermentation, and modern methods including canning, pasteurization, freezing, irradiation and the addition of chemicals. What are functional foods? Functional food is modified food that claims to improve health by adding new ingredients or more existing ingredients, for example yogurt, cheese and orange juice, etc. What is TDT? TDT, thermal death time, is minimum time it takes to kill a population of microbes at specific temperature. And what is TDP? Thermal death point is lowest temperature that required to kill a population of microbes when applied for a specific time like 10 minutes. What is DRD? Drawn and redrawn can made up of tin plate or aluminium. Most spoilage bacteria grow at 5 to 8 pH. Mold causing spoilage of eggs include species of Penicillium, Cladosporium, Sporotrichum, Mucor, Botrytis, etc. The staphylococcal intoxication refers to presence of enterotoxin. A bacterial food intoxication refers to foodborne illness. Blackening in pickles occur due to formation of H2S by bacteria. And list intrinsic factors for the microbial growth like pH, redox potential, nutrient content, antimicrobial barriers, water activity. Then enlist extrinsic factors for the microbial growth like relative humidity. It's also called RH, temperature, gaseous atmosphere. Then black rods in egg is most commonly caused by Pseudomonas and Aeromonas. Botulism is caused by the presence of toxin developed by Clostridium botulism. Salmonellosis is caused by Salmonella, two species like Salmonella typhimurium and Salmonella enteritidis. A psychrophilic halophile would be a microbe that prefers cold temperature and increased amount of salt. The botulism intoxication occurs due to botulin toxin. The predominant kind of bacteria causing spoilage in fish at chilling temperature is species of Pseudomonas. What is asepsis? Asepsis means using practice and procedure to prevent contamination from pathogens. Then enlist antimicrobial preservatives, propionates, benzoates, acetates, nitrites and nitrates, sorbates like sorbic acid as the calcium, sodium or potassium salt, sulfur dioxides and sulfides, ethylene and propylene oxide, sugar and salt, alcohol, formaldehyde, halogens, etc. What is trimming? Trimming is decayed part of fruits or vegetables is destroyed previously to inhibit their further spread. What is HHP? HHP is technique which is applied to foods which can be liquid or solid, packaged or unpackaged to high pressure usually for 5 minutes or less. HHP also called Pascalization. What are starters? Starters are microbiological cultures which actually performs fermentation. These starters usually consist of a cultivation medium such as grains, seeds or nutrient liquids that have been well colonized by the microorganisms and used for the fermentations. Next, full form DRD, drawn and redrawn, TDP, thermal death point, TDT means thermal death time, HT means high temperature short time like 71.7 degrees Celsius and 15 seconds. LT means low temperature long time like 62.8 degrees Celsius and 30 minutes. EH stands for redox potential, measure of electrical potential. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. AW stands for water activity. RH stands for relative humidity. TA stands for thermophilic anaerobic. Then MRAD stands for million radiation adsorption. It's a radiation unit. SCP stands for single cell protein. GRAS stands for generally recognized as SAF. FDA stands for Food and Drug Administration. R stands for Rontgen. REP stands for Rontgen equivalent physical quantity of ionizing energy. RAD stands for radiation dosage. It's a radiation unit. EV stands for electron volt. HHP stands for high hydrostatic pressure. APCS stands for aerobic plate counts and SPCS stands for standard plate counts. Then CFUS stands for colony forming units. PCA stands for plate count agar. MPN stands for most probable number. EIA stands for enzyme immunoassay. ELISA, ELISA stands for enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. RPLA stands for reverse passive latex agglutination. It's a bacterial toxin to be detected. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. Egg mark stands for agricultural mark. CAL stands for Central Egg Mark Laboratory, states in Nagpur. RALS stands for Regional Egg Mark Laboratory in 11 cities. DM stands for dry matter. Then 4 marks question. Give short note on SCP. Explain preservation of food by radiation. Explain mushrooms. Explain sausages. Explain production of sauerkraut. Write a note on preservation of food by high temperature. Write a note on preservation of food by low temperature. Explain extrinsic factor affecting food spoilage. Food preservation by antimicrobial agent. What are changes caused in food due to microorganisms? Then preservation of food by chemicals. What is spoilage of food? Write a note on intrinsic factors affecting food spoilage. Write a brief note on fermented food pickles. Write a brief note on fermented food silage. Asepsis, factors of food preservation. Write a brief note on fermented food bread. Then write a brief note on foodborne infections. Then write it only two methods for food preservations. Then 7 marks question. Write in detail note on food poisoning by salmonella. Detail note on egg mark, agricultural mark. Then detail note on fermented foods. Detail note on microorganisms as a food. Food preservation by drying method. Explain salmonellosis. Explain botulism. Write a note on spoilage of fresh food. Then explain foodborne infections. Write a note on functional foods. Write a role of Staphylococcus aureus in foodborne infection. Write a note on spoilage of breads. Write a note on spoilage of eggs. And last one is write different method for food preservation. So thank you everyone. It's all about question bank of unit number 2. If you like it, do like and share. And for regular updates and notification, please subscribe Study with Harki.